Makhumalo was on tears in front of Musamseleku, or she wanted Musamseleku to feel pity for her that he can decide to leave Makwela. Because Musamseleku, he is not going to leave Makwela. The person who is going to leave Musamseleku is Makhumalo. Because people, we didn't expect that Makhumalo will leave Musamseleku. But Macele and Musamseleku, they know it. You know that Macele and Musamseleku, when they plan their things very well, they know the person who is going to leave the marriage. It's Makhumalo. So sometimes that girl is wasting her time. We told Makhumalo long time ago, and she saw Musamseleku's red flags and forced Musamseleku to have that umembezo. Guys, Makhumalo have that umembezo. Musamseleku didn't pay for that umembezo, for the decor. Makhumalo, the dress she was wearing was very expensive. Everything Makhumalo was wearing, she buy with her own money. Even Musamseleku, that suit he was wearing, Makhumalo brought with her own money. It looks like Makhumalo was very desperate to have umembezo, but Musamseleku doesn't want to have umembezo with Makhumalo. You guys, sometimes that girl, when we are telling her, always protecting Musamseleku on cameras, when we say something about Musamseleku, she is protecting him. But she knows that behind the camera, she is not happy. And now Makhumalo can't pretend anymore. That's why you saw she is coming on cameras now.